Boy Reach.
It's your boy Punkin D, man. I just wrote some shit down. I want y'all to hear this shit, man. Y'all tell me y'all do y'all like this. Shorty, what you see in him that you don't see in me? Cause my money ain't right, you tryna walk out my life. You tryna treat me like a goofy, can we make things right? I cannot understand, take a stand to be your man, hold your hand. Everything happened for a reason, so I understand. Yeah, I got a plan to make it better so it never ends. Shoot you in your face with that cannon to show you that I care. My heart is kinda cracking, pull that trigger, cause I'm really there. Open up, heaven to hell, I'm walking up the stair. Dear Lord, forgive me, mistakes happening everywhere. In the peak of an eye, things happen, people die. I didn't mean for it to happen, my feeling took over action, reverse it. I'm trying to catch a bad dream, so it's a blessing. The sweat coming off my chest, and I'm happy y'all learned my lesson. My father is really testing, tribulation is a blessing, because I've been through the extra shit, gang banging and popping shit, disrespecting them ops and shit. Here to stay cause I'm copping shit, trying to flip $100 quick, hate to have the barber shit.